bonjour from the heart of Cannes. We're here at the exclusive premiere party for Neglected, presented by Latigo Films and LX Film Funds during the 70th Annual Cannes Film Festival. We'll be speaking to the cast, industry insiders. Let's go see who's here tonight.
Gosh, I don't know what I can say without giving it away. Spoiler alerts. I'll just say that Josh Duhamel leading the movie as a detective on his way to retirement when his past comes up to bite him, and a young man played by myself starts to stir the pot.
And especially my newest, Neglected, which I directed and I wrote. And we shot it in December with Josh Duhamel and Dylan Sprouse, who of course is here today with his beautiful wife, Barbara Palvin.
What are you looking forward to the most tonight?
I really just want people to have a good time.
We're back in Cannes at the beautiful We Audition House, which is now a 4-year staple.
What advice would you give to aspiring actors, especially coming from a director?
Okay, it's important to not give up. It's important to keep going, networking in these situations.
Never give up. It's such a hard door to open, and when you think you have nothing left to learn is when you stop learning.
I love that. Wise, young, and talented.
You have to really want it and put 150% in, because it's so difficult and so hard. The ups and downs are crazy, but if you stay and you stick with it, trust me, you'll find your way and you will be successful.